How to check your recent activity on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can check your recent activity on. But before that, if you guys are new to app hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. So let's begin. So the first step is you will need to open up your settings, and after you're on your settings, scroll down till you find screen time. Head over to screen time. After you're on your screen time, you should be able to see all of your daily averages. So head over to see all apps and websites activities. And after you're here, if you scroll down, you will see the most used app versus the least used app for today. So there you should be able to see yesterday's and the day before's activity as well. So I'll just see today's, and after you see the most used app, if you scroll down, you should see the pickups as well. So right here, after you see the pickups, you will see when you first opened this very app. So I opened this clock app during 3 to 4. So again, I opened it up at something around 4 to 5 and 5 to 6. That was one of my mini alarms going off. So you can see many of other apps that you first picked up as well. So if you scroll down, you should also be able to see the notifications and when the notifications came. So if you scroll down, you should be able to notice which app you picked up and which app you didn't. So make sure that you keep that in mind and remember which app you picked up. So whenever someone else uses your phone, you notice which app that you didn't use or which app that you used at what time, so that you can notice if someone else used your phone. And that is how you can check your recent activity on your iPhone, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.